trying to upload a video here. Good morning, guys, or good evening. Well, what time you watch the video? You watch my video. Uh, this is the first time. Well, I did a few other times. I upload a YouTube video, but I'm very new doing all that type of video, especially when you're talking about landscaping videos, hardscaping videos. I feel like I've never done this before. I never do video recording to myself, you know. And first time you do a video recording to yourself, I feel shy. I feel shy, like, but I get used to it, guys. I get used to it. The reason for I do this video recording is because I own landscaping, hardscaping, but at meantime I'm doing any type of repair, like sheetrock, flooring. I'm doing an insulation. Well, tomorrow we started with sorry. Tomorrow we start a big job, shingle installation. I never done this before to myself, but I'm started. It's my first job. I did it before, but not by myself. I did it with somebody else. And the funny part is, they know I'm doing landscaping. I do hardscaping. And the lady, she saw me across the street from her. That's how she find me. Oh, the light is going out. Give me 1 second, guys. Who's going first? No light.
Oh my God, no light.
Should I'm going?
Oh my God, no light.
What is that?
The comet here.
Cops here. Cops here. So, I can do my phone. It's new to me. But with the cops there, we can go. So I'm started doing
People had
big job tomorrow, and I told most of my clients I need upfront money. I need money. I need like a required deposit. All depends how much is the job for. The lady, I forget to tell you. I was doing landscaping across the street from her, from that client where I need to do shingle tomorrow. And she saw me say, hey, how you doing? She was waving at me that maybe like 3, 4, 5 minutes, and I wasn't, like always, I got my music on. And
I have to figure how you get over.
Finally, I saw it. I saw the lady waving at me. I told her, oh, I'm sorry. I told her,
Go.
which way? Which way? Which way need to go?
You might have to move the car a little bit. Wait till you move the car. Wait, Abby, you're gonna get extras.
And the lady, I'm sorry guys, the lady, she said, do you do any ceiling tile repair? I told her I have no idea. Well, I know somebody who can do it for you. And I find somebody, my friend, he helped me, and we did it. We did the ceiling tile. And then I saw the ceiling is leaking. So that was leaking. And I find out where it's leaking from, where it's coming from. And then I told a client, you need a roof repair, which I know how to do it. I'll do it, but I can give you a price for it. And she said, yeah, sure. That'll take a couple months, maybe 2 months. And she said, let's cover it, fix the hole for it, not cover with the tarp. Okay, because she said I don't have the money right now. I need to wait for insurance money come to us. And that's how she find me. Now we start doing more jobs inside. She want us to do more jobs inside, a lot of jobs inside. And I apologize for this. My English is not very well. I keep learning every day, but probably I really used to it, especially when you talk with the clients. And yesterday I called the lady because I have only her number, and she said, call my husband because I'm not home right now. I mean, I was calling for get a check for money deposit. And the guy finally called me and he said, I got the money on what's his landscape name. And I was so happy, like, oh my God, I got the check. But that's for deposit, just for deposit, to start the job, right? You know? So I haven't done the job yet, but I have a check here. I'm not lying. I'm not kidding. I haven't started the job yet, but I have the check here. So I have the check here. I don't know if you really can see it, but the $3,000 check. But I will start find more clients. But I just make a short video for you guys and upload the video next time. And my phone, I'm kind of new with my phone. I don't know how that works, but trying to figure it out. And my girl's here too. She say hello. Hello. She's laughing. I'm talking to my phone with nobody in the phone. Thank you guys. See you next time.